Hey guys, what's up? This is George. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to change your theme and customize your website that we learned last time from creating our website from the Google platform from here, launching Prestashop, certified by Bitnami, and then got all this information and we're able to successfully launch the website. So the first thing in changing your theme is you're going to go onto this left section and go over to design and then go theme and logo section, and then you select it right here. So this is what we have now. We have the classic version 1.0.1, which is the given layout that comes when you download the program. So we're going to be working over here. This is on add new theme. So first you got to find whatever theme you want to do. Today we got one provided to us, which is right here. So I can just show it in Finder. Back to this section. And then you're going to go ahead and select Add New Theme. And then just going to go ahead and drag your theme onto this section where it says zip file, and just make sure not to open your zip file because it has to be a zip file for it to continue. And then you can go ahead and save. So now that it has successfully uploaded, and right here on this section this is your current theme. So we haven't selected the one that we just downloaded. It's currently still on the dashboard. Like the theme of the website is still the classic views. So down here is where your uploaded themes go. So you just gotta select right here, use this theme. So you just wait for it to load, and then your current theme will essentially be load real quick. There it goes. So now our current themes should be right here. So now we're gonna go over here where it's officially got all the information, and then just reload this page just so we can have all the information up to current date. Just let that load real quick, and then if it works, you just go ahead and drag this up again. And currently there's having issues with the website. We won't be able to show you guys, but it should look like this, especially now that it's your current theme right here. Since this section is changed, it should be fixing your other website, but since it has been having issues, we won't be able to show you how it looks. But that's essentially how you change the theme, and then just make sure just to save it, and that's basically it. Once everything goes through, it should tell you that everything was successfully updated, and that's how you change your theme.